Welcome everyone, my name is Laura Legg. I'm the Director of HIMA Optimization for Healthcare Resource Group. Healthcare Resource Group is dedicated to helping their clients and friends with the upcoming ICD-10 coding changes. The first of those changes will be ending of the CMS grace period for Part B claims. During the first year of ICD-10, Part B claims were given a grace period and allowed to use a code within the family of codes versus the most specified code available. So that's going to be ending October 1st without a phase out like some of us had hoped for, but the actual change will take place October 1st. So with that ending, we really need to work with our physicians to make sure that they're documenting the specified information that we need for those codes. Another change will be the thawing of the code freeze. ICD has been under a partial code freeze since 2011, and that will be ending October 1st, 2016. After the thawing of that code freeze, that will mean we have 10,000 new codes in the ICD-10 CM and PCS categories. Most of those code changes occur under the PCS procedure coding system, and many of them are in the cardiovascular system. Does your team know them all? Well, perhaps you won't have to know them all. It depends on how many of those new codes you'll be using. If you'll be using all of them, it'll take a substantial amount of education and training for your coders. But if you use a small amount of those codes, it will be much less. We also now have some new coding guidelines, including the controversial coding line number 19 in regards to clinical validation. So your coders will need some education regarding those new coding guidelines and how to use them. The risk of not being ready for these new ICD-10 initiatives is improper reimbursement, increase in the chance of denials, and a higher risk of payer audits, and none of us want those things. How can HRG help? We have a dedicated team of coders and auditing experts who would love to help with coding validation audits and customized ICD-10 training and coaching. So schedule your HRG coding validation audit today.